Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. Almost said Poshmark Q&A, but no, it's a reselling Q&A. First off, I'm trying this new, it says it's a tinted moisturizer on my face, and it is super just like tacky. I don't like it. I love the color, but it's like really tacky. I could put some powder over it. Have any of you guys tried this? It's the L'Oreal Skin Paradise Water Infused Tinted Moisturizer. It has really good coverage for a tinted moisturizer. But yeah, it's like really tacky. I don't know if you can tell what it's like. Can you tell? Like I feel like I look a little shiny right here. Yeah. First question is, are you going to Posh Fest? So Poshmark just announced Posh Fest 2022. I almost said 2020. No, let's just forget 2020 ever happened. Okay. Posh Fest 2021. Poshmark just announced it. It is going to be in October in Orlando, Florida. And we might be going in person. I say we because it's probably going to be me and my husband, but might bring the whole family down to Florida. Last summer, we were actually planning on going to Disney World, but the pandemic messed all that up. So we might. I don't know. I'm still a little nervous to travel. I really don't think I'm ever going to feel comfortable. Well, not wearing a mask, first of all, but like traveling too. It's still 4 months away, so you know, we'll see. I think it'd be really cool to go in person, and the fact that it's in Orlando. If you can't go in person, they're also offering a virtual option as well. Last year's Posh Fest was virtual, and it was kind of like, I don't know. I paid $25 to get like the swag bag, and the swag bag was kind of like, I'll link that video down below if you guys haven't seen it. But yeah, I don't know. I would love to go in person. We'll see. If I don't go in person, I'll probably attend virtually, but I don't think I'm going to pay for a ticket again because it wasn't worth it. At least last year. I don't know. It might be different this year. I don't know. We'll see. Next question. Is there a certain game plan you have when going to a thrift store? Like, do you go to a specific section first? So, yes, I do have a game plan. Because I go to the same thrift stores often, I know kind of like where to go first, and there are certain spots that I like to go first. I like to hit up the activewear section first. I usually do like activewear. I'll go to like hoodies, then I'll do leggings, then I'll do like tank tops and shorts, and then I'll go to the jeans, and then I'll do shirts. Like I have a whole plan. But yes, I do have a game plan. I do, and for the most part I stick to it. If I'm going to a thrift store that I haven't been before, then I'm just kind of like bleh. But I tend to gravitate towards activewear section regardless. All right, next question. I made a purchase on Poshmark 16 days ago and the seller still hasn't shipped it out. What do I do? You can cancel a Poshmark order after 7 days. The seller has 7 days to send it out, and then if they don't, the buyer can cancel it. Have you tried contacting the seller to see like what is up? Maybe they're like out of town or something. They could be an inactive user. More on inactive users in a second. So yeah, I would contact the seller first, or try to contact the seller first and see what's going on. Okay, so a little bit more on inactive accounts. I'm pretty sure that Poshmark has made like, or in the process of making this change. If a listing has been inactive for a while, they're actually marking it as not for sale. Because I was going through, I should have saved them. I should have saved them for this video, but I was going through my likes, and I found that a bunch of them were marked as not for sale. And I'm like, what the heck's going on? See if I scroll back. Yeah, see? I'm thinking that they are doing that because, okay, I like these shoes. Like how, if my camera will focus. Now they're marked as not for sale. It says updated June 10th, but that was when I'm filming this video yesterday. So I'm assuming it's June 10th from like a year ago. But yeah, this girl has 2 active listings and they're both marked not for sale. And when I go to, when I go to her closet, it says she was last active February 20th. February, March, April, May, June. So maybe like 3 months they mark things as not for sale. I don't know, but I think Poshmark has done that because like I said, see, these are marked as not for sale as well. These Air Force Ones that I liked. It says updated November 1st, and this person was last active on January 6th. So yeah, maybe it's like 3 months or so. They mark things as inactive, which I think is great. I'm thinking that they have started doing that, which is great because sorry, my kids are so loud. Today's Friday, it's the end of the week. Today's actually kind of cold out. It's like 60 something degrees, but for the past all this week it's been like in the 90s. So it's a welcome break today. But anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, I hate buying something on Poshmark or going to like buy something on Poshmark and seeing that, you know, the person hasn't been active for a while. It's like, what the heck? I've been wanting Poshmark to do this for a while. So I think they're finally doing it. I have contacted Poshmark to ask them that, but they haven't replied back to me yet. It's so frustrating with them because I feel like their customer service is either right on point or they just don't reply back to people like when I have like basic questions. It's annoying. But yes, I think they're doing it. I'm not certain, but I will let you guys know if I do get confirmation from Poshmark. Last question. What are your thoughts on sending little gifts with packages or thank you notes? So I've talked about this before. I used to send thank you notes with packages, but now I just sell too many and too many. Yeah, I just sell a lot and it would be a lot to write thank you notes with every package. And plus I don't think people, or like the majority of people, I think the majority of people like appreciate a thank you note, but what are they going to do with it? They're just going to throw it away. It's not like they're going to like put it on their fridge and be like, oh, I got a thank you note from this person that sold me this, you know? So I don't know. I think it's kind of a waste. I use thank you stickers. I put them on the clear poly bags that I have my inventory in because it's easier and, you know, they're going to get the bag anyway. So why not just put the sticker on it and let them know that you're appreciative? So that's what I do as far as like gifts and stuff. I don't do that. I actually ordered something from Poshmark and it came in the mail yesterday and she put it in this like reusable, kind of like a lightweight canvas bag. Like she put the sweatshirt in it. And then she also sent me a car air freshener and a perfume. Like a perfume from Bath and Body Works. It's not in this room, it's in my garage. But yeah, I'm like, okay. I'm not going to use it because I didn't really like the way either of them smelled. But yeah, I mean, it's a nice gesture, but you got to be careful with that, especially with perfumes and stuff because people have allergies. When I opened up the package immediately, I could smell it. I was like, oh, what is this? But yeah, it was an air freshener and Bath and Body Works body spray. And it was like a winter one too. It wasn't like a recent one. So I'm thinking maybe she just had extras or she got them, you know, at their like clearance sale at the end of the year. I think sending gifts and thank you notes, it's a very nice gesture, but I think it's wasteful for one. And, you know, like I said, especially if you send, you know, like scents and stuff, you gotta be careful because some people have allergies and, you know, it could bother them. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.